Welcome. In this video I will show you how to get maximum battery life on your ASUS ROG Xbox Ally X device. So there are many different things that you can do for that. I don't know where to start with, but let's start with the power settings in your Windows. So open the start menu, go to settings, then in settings select system and then swipe down to power and battery menu. And what you can do here is, well, of course, change your power mode to best power efficiency for both plugged in and on battery options. But besides, you can also enable energy saver. Just switch the toggle to the right to do so, and this will also increase your battery life. And what's very important, go to button controls and change the sleep to Hibernate. This way your device will use much less battery power when it's switched off by short pressing the power button. The next thing is opening the Armory Crate application on your device. And in Armory Crate, go to Battery Care, of course. Here you can only improve your battery life in long term if you enable the battery care mode, which will limit your battery charging to 80%, and it will reduce the long-term battery wear. So if you want to use your device for a longer time, then overall, then of course enable this feature, but it's mostly for when you want to use your device connected to the charging cable anyway. And the next thing is performance. Let's adjust the performance to get the most battery power. So the silent mode is generally the most battery friendly one by default. Now the performance will balance your performance, temperature and acoustics, which means the fan speed. And the turbo mode is definitely not the battery friendly mode, it's more of a performance mode. But generally speaking, if you can preview the battery usage of each mode by opening the Armory Crate application, then you have to add the operating mode widget by tapping Y, add, and then select the operating mode in here, press B to go back, and in the operating mode you can see how many watts your battery will use with each of these modes. And as you can see, the silent mode is the most battery friendly one. But what you can also do is set up a custom power saving mode, and using manual feature, and I recommend using it right from here. So just tap right here, and what you have to do is simply reduce each of these sliders to the minimum level, and then tap apply. And as you can see, this mode will use only 7 watts of power of your battery, and using this mode you can get up to over 6 hours of gaming on your device. Besides, you can also lower your screen brightness in this menu and get even more with it. And after that, also go to Echo Assist and enable Modern Standby Assistant, enable Extreme Standby Mode, and also you can disable CPU boost, which will slightly decrease your device's performance and CPU usage, but it will also positively affect your battery life. And in GPU settings, you can assign less memory to GPU, though I'm not sure that it's like an extremely great idea. What I do rather is set the memory assigned to GPU to auto, so that your device automatically detects how many GPU RAM memory it wants to dedicate to your graphics card. And so using all of these different features, you can get the most from your battery life. Of course, you can combine all of these tips however you want. You can enable the manual power saving mode, and you can also enable the energy saver mode in Windows. So basically, it's hard to tell how much battery you can how much battery life you can get from this device. It really depends on the way that you limit yourself and what you the way you limit yourself, of course, depends on the reason you limit yourself for. So if you just want to watch a movie, you can use everything I mentioned in this device. But if you want to play a more demanding title, then now of course you're gonna have to sacrifice some battery life for that. So that's basically everything I wanted to tell you about in this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.